Hello guys, what's up? So today we will be seeing how you can create a navbar which is responsive like this using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's begin our coding and we will be basically starting with HTML. So this is our basic HTML and now here I will be trying Hindi for this video. Yep. So इधर अपने को क्या चाहिए? Wow. Oh, forgot that. Let's give it a responsive nav as title, and we will be having one nav here. This nav will be having one div, and this div will be named as class logo, and here we will be writing logo. After this div we will be having ul, because we want a list of items in our website, and this UL will be having one anchor tag which will be not pointing anywhere for now. So let's have this as home and shift alt. Yeah, we can do this with using shift plus alt plus down arrow key, and this will be about, and this will be contact, and this will be profile. So we are done for now with our HTML file, and we will be jumping on CSS. So first let us see how our HTML file will be looking like. So this is our basic HTML file right now. Let me bring this over here so that we can see what we are building. Yep, this. So let's move to our let's move to our CSS. Yeah, because we will be just using CSS, HTML and JavaScript. Before moving to CSS, let us link our CSS file, and this will be RELSTYLVSHWT style sheet href, and this will be style.css. Our CSS file is now linked with HTML file, and we will be linking our JavaScript file using script tab. Yep, script tab. So we are done with the linking, and now we will be moving on our now it's fine. Okay, so first of all, let us remove every padding and margin, and box sizing will be border box. So this is done for now. Wait, कुछ हुआ? But क्या? Why it is not moving? Yeah. After that, we will be saying that nav please have a display of flex, so that we can have this in one line, and similarly we will be having this a class name of lists, and this list lists will be having a display of flex for the same reason, so that we have everything in one single line. And we will be having list li. To remove bullets, you have to give this list style of none, and of course we will be needing some spaces, so this will be justify content space around, and here we will be having a width of 30%. Okay, this is calculated, so you can adjust this width according to your projects. And here I can have justify content of space around. So now we are done with our adjustments. So let us style our navbar. So to style our navbar, give this a background color of a shade of black, and yeah, and a color of shade of white smoke. And yeah, here we will be having copy paste, basically a tag. I want to select a tag here, and this will be text decoration none, and a color of white smoke. So yeah, we are done with this, and here we will be having font family Arial, and letter spacing of 0.1 rem, and yeah, that's it for now. Okay, and let us give this a min height of 8 vh. Okay, and let us give this align items center. Yeah, we are done with our styling of nav. We are done with our styling of list. So let's move to our bars, and for that I will be making one more div. This will be having a class of bars, and we will be having 3 div which will be having a class of line 1, and same way we will be having line 2 and line 3. So we are done with our lines. Okay, so let us make it visible on our website, and for that we will be selecting bars div. This div will be having a width of 1 rem, a height of 3 pixels, and a margin of 2 pixels. Let us give this 7 pixels, and a background color of white smoke. Yeah, this is also visible, not exactly 1 rem, it will be in pixels only. So let us give these as 10 pixels. Okay, 20 pixels. Yeah, and margin of 5 pixels. Cool, it is looking nice right now. And we will be having this as bars display none, because okay, before saving this, let me show you this in a full screen. This is visible right now in our full screen also, that we don't want. So we will be giving this a display of none, and using media query, so we will be writing media screen and max width. Okay, max with 768 pixels, and we will be having here bars display block, block, block. So now it is visible. So let's style our this home, about, contact and profile. So for that I will be using list, position of absolute, and we will be having right margin or the right spacing 0 for this, and after doing that we will be having this height of 92 vh, and we will be having here top as 8 vh. So you can see that it is right now here, somewhat here. So we will be having a background color same as our navbar color, and we will be giving here a width of 50%, and we will be giving this a display of flex, but we want this in one line. So we will be saying flex direction as column and align items as center. So yeah, here we go. Now to make it hidden, we will be using a transform. That was translate 100%. So this is not visible here, but when you will be scrolling you can see it. So to make it hidden completely, you will be saying nav display, not display, basically, and not nav. We want this body. Sorry guys, my bad. So it will be body overflow x direction as hidden. So now you cannot scroll your this here. Let me give this a width of 25 pixels. Yeah, now it is looking cool, more cool. So, and yeah, this is fine for now. So you can see that, but it is not visible on clicking also. And this will be as pointer, sorry, not position, pointer. Sorry, cursor pointer, yeah, cursor as pointer. So now you can see this. Now what we have to do, we have give styling to our navbar. We have removed our we have removed our list from mobile view. You can see that there is no effect on our desktop view, only mobile view has been changed. So let's get to our JavaScript for now, and so we will be having a function with name as animate nav or nav bars, and this will be an arrow function. So yeah, and call this function over here. So now you can have bring everything from your HTML file to your JavaScript file that you want to manipulate or to which you want to give some events. So I will be bringing my bars with document.query selector, and it is having a class name bars, and after that I will be having my list, which is also be document dot query selector with a name of list. So for now we will be giving bars, add event listener. Event listener has two property. One is the event and another one will be the function. So I'm using arrow function for this project. Okay, not this. Yeah, this. So what basically it will be doing, it will be having a class list and will toggle it to nav active. Okay, so for now we have to, okay, here we will be giving a transition of transform 0.2 seconds or 0.5 seconds ease in. Yeah, and we will be having dot list li opacity 0 so that our links are not visible right now. Okay, so we will be having here a class name which we have given here, nav active. So we will be copying this and nav this active will be having okay, on click we want this to appear. So to make it appear, just convert this 100% to again 0%. So whenever someone clicks, it will be showing me. But right now also we are not able to see our links. So to make that visible and to make to give this animation look, we will be having here, okay, first we need to bring our links. So const links is equals to document dot query selector all, and it will be list li, because we want to add some functions on li. We want to manipulate our li's because links are present in li's. So we will be bringing that li's like this, and okay, so let's access each li's using for each loop, and this will be having two parameters. One will be link and the other one will be its index. So you will be getting it that why I used index also. Now this, if okay, yeah, if link dot style style dot animation, then copy paste is equals to blank, because we don't want any animation if there is already a animation on our links. So else give this, what animation we will be giving to it. So to give an animation, first we have to create an animation. So it will be keyframes blink, and here it will be from 2 we want our opacity to be from, okay, it will be from 0 and a translate of 50%. Oh, sorry, it was transform translate x from 50% to copy paste 1 and it will be 0%. So okay, right now I have to give this blink 0.5 seconds, ease forward, and we will be having here index by 7 plus 0.2 and it's a second. So let's see it's working or not. No, it is not working. Okay, so let's see where is the problem, why it is not showing properly. I guess it will be forwards and now let's see. Yep. So our this is also working very fine. Now we want to convert this bar symbol into a cross sign, and to do that we will be using this bars copy dot toggle, not this, yeah, class list, and it will be like dot toggle, and we will be giving this a class name of td. Yeah, it's done. So in our css file we will be again doing this dot td line 1. It is also a class name, so this will be having a transform of rotate 45 degree, and we will be having a translate x, or we want both direction translate, so 5 pixels and 6 pixels, and we will be just copying this, copy paste and paste, and we will be having here line 2 and here line 3, and this will be given basically opacity of 0 because we don't want that line to be appeared, and here will be minus 45 degree and this will be minus. And before this, let's give our bar transform or mainly transition of transform 0.5 second is, yeah, so perfect. Let us give this oil. This 5 seconds. Okay, it is not working. I guess we wrong. Okay, I guess it will be given to this. Yeah. So a transition of all 0.5 second. Please, here we go. Yeah, wow, so smoothly it is coming. Now we want to give this hover effect. So to do that, go to our media query and here let us give this list li display of block, and let's try this first. Please. Hover effect. So on hover, give this a background color of orange red. So yeah, and now just increase the size of this area. So to do that, give this a width of 50% and a height of 50%, width of 100% basically. So yeah, here we go. But this is now not coming properly. So for that, text align center and align vertical align middle. Here we go. Oh, it is not well. Basically, it will be justify content center. No, how to do that? Align items center. Okay, give this grid. Yeah, here we go. Everything is working fine. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something new in CSS and JavaScript, and I hope you will be liking more mini projects like this. So see you guys in next video. Till then, bye, tata.